welcome back to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe of how to make Meethi Parathas or Fenugreek Parathas, also known as Theplas. It's super simple and it gets ready also very quickly. And plus you can make this dough and keep it in your refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days and make the parathas whenever you feel like. So let's head on to my kitchen and start today's Meethi or Fenugreek Parathas. So let's get started with today's Meethi or Fenugreek Parathas recipe. It's super simple. So here I've taken about a cup of methi, which I've chopped up very fine. Here I have about 5 light green chillies and about 5 cloves of garlic, large cloves of garlic, which I've just ground to a coarse paste. I'm going to add this to my methi along with some haldi powder, some cumin seeds and some asafotedia or hing. Next goes in some salt to taste. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of wheat flour, whole wheat flour, just about half a tablespoon of oil, a little bit of water, and we're going to knead this into a stiff yet smooth dough. This would be similar to your puri dough or your chapati dough. Now my dough is ready. I'm just going to put a few drops of oil and just knead it again. And then we're just going to set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now here I have a pan heating up. I also have my dry whole wheat flour. I have some clarified butter or ghee. So now I'm just going to take, here is my tawa heating up. I'm just going to take a line-sized bowl of this dough, just like you would when you're making a puri or a chapati. And we're just going to roll it out as thin as possible. Now because of the besan or the chickpea flour, this dough becomes very elastic and becomes very easy to roll out this dough. And now my pan is nice and hot, so I'm just going to put it onto the pan on a low to medium flame, turn it up once or twice, and then I'm just going to apply a few drops of clarified butter or ghee. And your thepla or your methi paratha is all ready. So wasn't that really simple, guys? Few ingredients, but what a lovely and delicious recipe. I hope you like today's recipe and I hope you will give it a try. If you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see somewhere below this video. Also friends, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below this video. And once you have subscribed, do click on the bell icon that will show up. That way whenever I put up a video, you'll get a message for the same. Also at the end of the video, you'll see 2 boxes sliding up. Those are my videos. If you want to see them, you can click on them. In the middle of the video, something sliding up here called suggested. You can click on those too. Those are my videos. Also, if you're looking for any recipe, as I have more than 500 on my channel, on the YouTube search button, just type the recipe, and besides it, just type Akshita's Recipes and my recipe will be the first one to show up. That's the easiest way to find me on YouTube. I'm very active on Facebook and Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links will be below. So thank you for joining me today. Take care of yourselves, have a great day, and stay fit, stay healthy, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon, sooner than you think. Take care, guys.